Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. So, as per promise, today I will share a video regards to how to answer for the cash budget question. So, the past year that I choose is June 2019. Okay, so this is the past year, and the cash budget question is fall under question number 1b. Okay, here. So, let's look on the question. Bidara Sdn Bhd sales from May to October 2019 are tabulated below. So this they provide you the sales amount, okay, from months of May until October. Okay, let's look what are the question required you all to prepare. Okay, you are required to prepare the cash budget of Bidara Sdn Bhd for the third quarter of 2019. Okay, based on the financial information given above. Okay, so they ask you to provide the cash budget for the third quarter. So the third quarter here refer to the months of July, August and September. Okay, July, August and September. Okay, so let's prepare the cash budget. Okay, for your information, I will use a Excel format because it may be easier for you all to see line by line and the format for the cash budget. Alright, so let's look. Let's go to how to prepare the cash budget for the third quarter 2019 for Bidara Sdn Bhd. Alright, as I mentioned, so I will use the Excel format to prepare for the cash budget. Okay, first of all, you need to write the company names. Bidara Sdn Bhd. Okay, and then the cash budget. For the third quarter 2019. Okay, so first you need to copy paste the sales amount for the months of July until September. So this is item, this is month, July, August, September. Sales 340,000, 440,000 and 350,000. Okay, and then this one is your this is receipt, receipts. Let me add another row here, sorry. Receipts. So this is receipts. Okay, and then on the first point here, okay, so 30% of the firm monthly sales are on cash, while the remaining sales are on credit, okay, which are collected equally in the two subsequent months of sales. Okay, so the cash sales 30%, okay, from this amount. So 50%, so you need to begin to 1 minus 0.3. Okay, and then the remaining is based on the credit. Okay, credit first month. So you need to divide by 2 lah. Okay, so 70% divided by 2 equivalent to 35%. For the second month, also 35%. Okay, so the balance need to pay equally in the two subsequent months. Okay, so next the months after lah. Okay, so 340,000 minus 102,000 equivalent to 238,000. Then you divide by 2. Okay, so dia 119,000, 119,000. Okay, so let's look. You need to find on the June punya figures here. Kita add another column. So this is June. This is May. Later we delete this one. So we just want to fill up this column. Okay, so this is 500,000. This is 360,000. Alright, so for the month of June, okay, so the sales amount 360,000, cash sales of 108,000. Okay, and then you need to times 0.35 times 360,000, you get 126,000. Okay, 126,000. For months of June, for months of May, the sales amount is 500,000, cash sales 30%. Okay, so cash sales 30% is equivalent to 150,000. 150,000, and then the balance you need to pay subsequent months. Okay, so how to get this value? 500,000 you times 0.35. Okay, so you got 175,000, and this one 175,000. Okay, so this is the target month lah that we will find the color the original one that we would like to find. And how to get this one? Okay, from 44,000 times 0.35. 154,000. Okay, and 154,000. Okay, so this is month of October. October sales amounts 420. Sales 0.3. Okay, 126,000. 120 times 0.35. 147,000. This is we need to uncolor it. So let's move to the second point. Okay, second point. Alright, so under the second point, okay, the raw material for monthly sales are purchased 1 month prior to sales, and it amounts to 30% of the monthly sales. 40% of the purchases is paid in the month of purchase, and the balance, okay, another 60% is paid equally in the 2 months following the purchase. Okay, so 30% from the number of sales, okay, prior to sales. So maksud dia 340,000 ni you times 340,000 you times with 30%, and that will be under June. Okay, so this is materials, purchase material, purchase materials. So 30% from sales. Okay, 2% from sales. Okay, so the raw materials for monthly sales are purchased 1 month prior to sales. Okay, so means for July, the amount they already buy on the month of June. Okay, so 340,000 times 30%, 340,000 times 0.3. Okay, so 102,000. Okay, and then from here, 40% of the purchase is paid in the month of purchase. Okay, 40% of the purchase is paid on the month of purchase. So 40% from 102. So this is under cash payment lah. Cash payment. So they pay 40% from this overall 30%. 102,000 times 0.4. Okay, 40,800. Okay, in terms of the next payment, credit payment, okay, the balance is paid equally in the 2 following months. Okay, credit payment. Okay, next 1 month. So the balance must equals to 60% lah. Okay, 60%. Sorry, 30%. Another one is 30%. So this is the balance. 30%, 102 times 0.3. 102,000 times 0.3. Okay, so this is 30%. Okay, next, for month of August, so they pay what? How much? 30%, 0.3 or 440,000 times 0.3. Okay, then from 122,000, 40% is for the cash payment. 0.4. Okay, and then for the rest, the balance will pay by what we call 30% and another 30% lah. Okay, from this amount. Okay, then for the month of August, this one, this is the amount lah, 350,000 times 0.3. Okay, and then for the month of August, the cash payment is 40%, 0.4. Okay, and here times 0.3 times 0.3. Okay, and then we here, okay, we take the sales for October, okay, to get the for the purchase materials under so yeah, okay, right. So this one times for 30%. 0.3. Okay, so this is typo here, purchase. And then from 126,000, 40% is payment by cash. Okay, so the rest are 30% lah, equivalent to 126 times 0.3, 126,000 times 0.3. Okay, so for this one, we need to find for June lah, ataupun for July punya, the second payment. Okay, so this is for this particular month. Okay, so let's calculate. 360,000, 30% from this sales lah, 0.3. Okay, and then from 108,000 ni, 40% payment by cash, 0.4. Okay, and then for the next month, next following month, they pay 30% on credit, 0. Sorry, this one times 0.3. Okay, and then this one times 0.3. Okay, so complete on this part. Alright, so the point number 3, employee salaries are 10% of the monthly sales. Okay, so from the monthly sales, so we times 10% for the employee salaries. Okay, the firm pays half yearly 30,000 of cash bonus to its employee in January and July. Okay, so January not consider lah because they want to prepare the third quarter. So we just take the July bonus. Right? So this is employee salary. Employees salaries. Okay. So just times the 10% lah. 10% from the sales. Sales times 0.1. Just straight lah. Correct. Okay. So that's it. And then in terms of employee bonus. Employee bonus. So they pay on the month of July. Okay. July 30,000. July 30,000. July. This one is July. 30,000. Okay, next. Alright, so under point number 4, okay, the firm pays properly rental expenses of 25,000 monthly and receive 15,000 dividend from its marketable securities in September every year. Okay, so this is outflow. Okay, they pay rental, and this one is the inflow. Okay, they receive a dividend. So this is the property rental. Property rentals. Okay, so month of July here, 25,000, 25,000, 25,000. Okay, and then they receive 15,000 dividend. So dividend received. So we insert one column, one line here. Okay, so the dividend payment. The dividend they receive. Insert. So this is dividend. Dividend. Okay, so dividend received. Dividend received in the month of September. September every month. So 25,000. Sorry, 15,000. 15,000. Okay, later we sum up lah the total inflow and also the total outflow. Okay, so that's it for number 4. Point number 4 settled. Alright, under point number 5, okay, financing cost of 12,000 is due in September, and other miscellaneous expenses amount to 5,000 is estimated to be paid every month. Okay, so the first one is financing cost. So this due financing cost due on September. So September is in this line column. So 12,000. 10,000. Okay, and then miscellaneous expenses. Miscellaneous expenses. Okay, so every month. Okay, 5,000. 5,000, 5,000, and 5,000. Okay, next. Alright, next point number 6. Fully depreciated machines are to be replaced in August and its cost is expected to be 100,000. Okay, so this what we call depreciation. So no need to include under cash budget. Okay, no need to include. Later I will share you the point, the reason why they are not include under cash budget. Alright, so settle on the point number 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 6. Number 6 settled. Okay, before we answer for the point number 7, okay, the firm cash balance at the end of June is 50,000. It's maintained 25,000 minimum cash monthly. So we need to total up the total inflow, cash receipt, and the total outflow, cash disbursement. Okay, because we need to find the net cash flow first. Okay, so this is we need to insert another I think another two column. Okay, another two column. So this is total cash receipt ataupun inflow lah. Total cash receipt. Okay, so total up one. Some. Some. Jadi until September only. Okay, and then this kita we need to underline lah. Okay, underline. Okay, and then the total cash disbursement. Okay, so maybe we can yeah, split this line. Okay, so split this line, the space line, split this line. So cash disbursement. Okay, auto sum from here to here. Alright, that is fine. So we need to take from here to here. Okay, so let me color green. Okay, same goes to here. And goes to here. So this is you need to total up. Okay, and maybe we use the color Okay, this one. Okay, next, you need to find the net cash flow. Net cash flow. Okay, so how to find net cash flow? Total cash receipts minus cash disbursement. This one minus this one. Okay, then you bring it forward lah. Okay, and next, uh, we need to do the cash reconciliation lah. Okay, cash reconciliation. Okay, so kalau ada negatif, dia kena buat pinjaman. Okay, so you need to calculate the short term interest. Okay, so this reconciliation. Okay, here, so this is net cash flow. Net cash flow. So copy paste from these figures lah. Paste. Okay, and then plus beginning cash balance. Okay, so this beginning cash balance end of June. Okay, so when end of June, they are beginning cash balance for July. Beginning cash balance. Beginning cash balance 50,000. 50,000. So total up is one. Yes, this one. So 182. 182. 182. So why kenapa dia lari kat sini net cash flow ni? Okay, suppose 193 200. Okay, 190 because we copy paste je the net cash flow. Okay, so this one 194 500. Okay, so 243 200 is the ending balance for July. Okay, but they are beginning cash balance for August. 243 200. Okay, then this is the beginning balance for September. 434000. Okay, 628 500. Okay, and then this is the ending cash balance. Ending cash balance. Okay, so another point here. It maintains 25,000 minimum cash monthly. Okay, so must minus less minimum cash balance. Okay, 25,000 monthly. 25,000, 25,000, 25,000. Okay, so the excess will be this one. We need to minus This one we need to minus. So kita buang dia punya line ni lah. Sorry. Line. Okay, so you minus 243,200 minus 25,000. Okay, 218 to 200. Okay, so this is your cash budget for this third quarter 2019. Alright, so settle under this one. Okay, so under cash reconciliation, so first you need to take the net cash flow. How to get net cash flow? From the total cash receipt minus cash disbursement. Okay, and then you just copy paste lah. Put the net cash flow here, and then beginning cash balance ni you need to put the amount. Okay, the beginning cash balance must be taken from the ending cash balance from the previous year, previous month. Okay, for June 50,000, So you put here for beginning cash balance for July. Okay, and the rest lah. So just ambil dia punya the ending beginning balance tu. Sorry, ending balance tu you put under beginning balance on the following months. Okay, and then you less the minimum cash balance. Okay, and because say here it maintains 25,000 minimum cash monthly. Okay, so they need to allocate 25,000. Okay, they cannot touch that one lah. Okay, so they need to minus 25,000 on each of the particular month. Okay, so the cash deficit or excess deficit tak cukup kan, so surplus ataupun excess lah. Cash excess is for the June 218, 200, 409,000 and 603, 500. Alright,